LG TV firmware updates fix app crashes, patch security holes, and sometimes unlock features. There are 2 ways to do it, and the whole process takes about 20 minutes. The easy way is automatic. Open Settings, All Settings, Support, then Software Update, and switch Auto Update on. The TV downloads and installs new firmware in the background over Wi-Fi. For a manual update, download the firmware from LG's support site, format a USB drive to FAT32, and copy the bin file into a folder named LG_DTV. Then plug it into the TV's USB port. If an update fails, don't panic. Unplug the TV for 60 seconds, then retry over wired Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. Holding the power button for 10 seconds clears most post-update glitches. Updating matters even when the TV works fine. LG's webOS runs online background services, and security patches ship quietly inside numbered firmware releases. Check for updates every 2 or 3 months, or just enable auto updates once. Full step-by-step guide on smarttvs.org.